I'm back.
All right, cool. Can I take over?
Sure. Thanks for covering for me.
Love y'all.
Looks like we're just chopping around. 10 a.m. open, midnight open, 1800 open, 9:30 open. Still sitting in mine. Yeah.
What up? What up?
Nothing I can do here, guys. Just kind of watch and wait. It's suggesting to me that we're just kind of chopping, right?
Locking in payouts.
This 10 a.m. candle looks wacky, but the 15-minute candles are showing pretty bullish, which is kind of. But unfortunate because it's not even giving me a long entry.
Just bringing everything up.
That's all right.
There we go.
If we get back up here, then I'm done for the day.
All right, let's get this freaking thing going.
Now we have YM trading above that 10 a.m. high. Yeah.
Man, look at that. This looks like we're going higher.
Is it fail changing the state of delivery of breaker block?
Like we're going higher.
I suppose so. Right? This would be your order block that took liquidity. Change the state of delivery. Failed. Breaker. Yeah. Starting to feel impulsive to long. Gonna log off. Not a bad idea. Have a good day. My pleasure. Not really an interesting day to trade, but
good morning.
Happy with it.
Good morning.
Executed my model. Very little emotions.
Just breaking
which
out.
Which is always a bonus for me.
Yo, what up, Jay Styles? Dude, I just locked in another payout. I just did $700 bucks. I'm back over the threshold for I don't know, another $600 bucks.
Yeah.
Topstep
really uninteresting PA.
Bucks.
Not even because like I was wrong once and I'm
are
likely wrong again. It's just like we're not getting provided with anything. You know?
I smashed some evals.
We're stuck.
Pass them.
Within the 10 a.m. range.
Some. Just having some fun on the news.
What I would have liked to see for longs would have been sweep below this low. And then I would have 100% been out of my short and into a long.
Let me see what's going on. I was probably watching somebody else as either news or I had somebody else's stream on in the back. Is it done? I think I just turned it off. I need sound when I trade. I want to see this hold. This is just a quick fucking scout. Yeah, I need news. Yeah, not news. I need sound when I trade, man. Otherwise, it's so quiet that I'll listen to anybody talk about fucking anything, trading related, and I just kind of rotate streams, but I don't actually watch it. It's more of just like in the background, I guess. Yo, what up, Lee? Lee, you still up? Did you go to sleep yet? I am debating on doing a couple things here. Kind of looks like it's just going to freaking keep grinding. You know what I might do? Oh, you know what? We are right here at 600. I didn't even realize it. See what happens. I woke up about 1 p.m., got 11 dogs to walk today. Dude, you were up. I was streaming last night. Mr. Eamon, what's up? Pretty good. I just locked in another payout. Locked in one yesterday and another one today. So things are going pretty good. Things are definitely going pretty good over here. I'm just clicking the button. I'm gonna get stopped out. Am I? No. Stopped out. I stopped out at 2 of them. Awesome. So weird how I got stopped out at 2, but not all 3. I don't know why that happened. Yo, what up, Racer? You got George Bloom in here. Enchanted Grossness. What's up? How is your day? I don't even know what that means. Yo, is that like a channel, Enchanted Grossness, and there's a bunch of stuff on it that's gross? Is it magic? Enchanted? Kinda. That's cool. Dude, good, man. Locked in a right over here. Locked it in. I'm over the threshold for a payout. This is over a threshold for a payout. I'm waiting for my payout here. I also we're gonna do the poker tournament tomorrow night. I gotta set that up. Oh, you can make me set it up right now. Hold on, let me see if I can set it up. Poker tournament tomorrow night. Oh, it's not. I always thought it was the bro site. It's not. Dude, they literally just updated their whole site. Dude, that's cool. They just updated their whole site. I think I just created it. I can't put the link in YouTube, but I'm gonna put it in the Discord. I'm trying to think on how I'm gonna set it up at lunchtime, and I will put it in the Discord. Arcanius, what's up? I will put it in the Discord, and people can start signing up today. I'll put the link for everything. I'm just looking to see when I could set the I'm going to see when I can set the start time, because start time is going to be tomorrow night, Eastern time. How am I liking the 600 level? I think if we're going to consolidate right here for a little bit, we're eventually going to go over it. The only reason I say that is I'm looking at the higher time frames. It looks like we're going to go back to maybe 690. I'm not getting in here, though. Like, I wouldn't buy here. I would just I'd probably say you can get a nice little scalp out of it, but if you look at the higher time frames, we could probably come back down to 775 would probably be a good entry for me. 70. That's kind of what I'm looking for, as a pullback. Good morning, Marie. Good morning. Yo, we traded Asia last night for a little bit too. Asia was fun. I caught the short in my personal account, and if you guys were on last night, that's how I hit for 847 in this account. We went short, and we made it. It was a great short. Caught it I called it at the end of the stream yesterday that I was going to go short in my personal, and yeah, would have just ripped it. I got to see how fucking high I need to get this account. This is the account I was denied on, and obviously I'm over the limit here, but I have a feeling I have to get like another $1,000 or $2. I might it's not the worst thing. Like, I got denied for quote unquote windfall, but what's good is the drawdown is $3,600. So it's no longer like a 50K account. It's almost like a 100K account, I guess, at this point. Just keep building it up and just keep requesting payouts from it until they let it go through. But this one should be good for a payout. Hopefully this one's good for a payout when I think I need like 5 more trading days. And then hopefully I get my Topstep money today. I want to go back to trading that account. I'm just waiting for the payout to be approved. No, I got denied for one of my days was over 30%. Apex allows you to bracket trade. You could definitely bracket trade. Dude, I wasn't even paying attention, but here you go. There was your 75 entry. Easy 10 points. Yeah, so I made more than 30% of profits in one day, I guess. So I broke the consistency rule. So now I need to make more money to take a payout. Yo, what up? You got 2 take profit trader 25 accounts. Wait, what? Just got 2 take profit 25K accounts. Thrilled to nuke them Monday. Dude, you nuked them instantly? That sucks. I nuked an eval yesterday, 50K eval for take profit. Yo, it happens, man. It's part of the game. No, Kisan, I'm not worried. I just keep building it up. You know, another 222 today. I'll just keep adding profits to it. That's all. Tight ass stop. I'm just looking for a quick scalp off the 34. Ah, dude, that's awesome. I had to make $3 today in Take Profit Trader because I went over a 50% rule. I had to make $3 more, so I'll have a pro account tomorrow. Keith S., is the 5-minute bullish or bearish? The 5-minute? I would say it's bullish, but I'm probably not buying here. I got the bounce I wanted already 2 candles ago. Dude, where did my other thing go? Oh, here. I mean, I'd say we're still bullish. I'm not looking to short this thing. I am definitely not looking to short it. Let me see if we could hold the, see how we're curling back up here. There we go. Curling back up, held at 34. If you're long, you want to see this get over 589, back over this 15-minute orb. The fuck? I'm just looking at something real quick. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. How you been, Keith? I wonder if there was just overreaction on Google. If there was just an overreaction on Google and PayPal news earnings, and we're just gonna rip. Oh, jeez. Google's down 17 bucks. Yo, what up, Walter? We have Amazon earnings tomorrow. Amazon's tomorrow, which is going to be, I'll be honest with you, Amazon earnings are not great. We are most likely going to trend down for a while, I think. I think that's going to be the savior. If it's good, bad, whatever, you know, whatever it is, I think, because Meta was good, Google was not good, Tesla was not good, but popped because of robotics. And then you got Microsoft was not good. And we have Amazon, which is probably going to be the last big one. Look at that. That's a nice freaking candle. Dude, the government's just laying fucking so many people off. It's so crazy how many people are getting laid off with the fuck? Dude, Twitter is fucking amazing. You're gonna bounce right here at 88 and then come up. I don't like this for a funded account, but I might sling around some evals here. Just not loving it. Not loving it. 600 is tough, man. Yeah, I mean, if we can get some consolidation here for a little bit, I would say we're going to break. You don't want to see it trade down to this line. I think if we trade too far down, you're more likely to see this bottom again than the top. I mean, this was money. You had to see them wicking, wick. Like, you have to be able to take that long. Dude, I just realized I locked myself out of Topstep today. So even if they pay me, I can't use the account. That was probably not the best thing to do. By the way, the opening range trade hit today if your shit worked. I know Walter was looking at it. You would have got in at 47 and you would have gotten your points. But for whatever reason, my copy trader, it got me filled at 44 and then like didn't take my profits. It was so weird. Something messed up. I was down $600 in these two accounts. I don't know why the copy trader did that, to be honest. Don't worry, Jay Styles. I took this bar up and I sold like right here. Too soon, Junior. But yeah, I sold way too early as well, man. I mean, I sold way too early. It is what it is. It happens. $10. Let's see what this account's doing. I kind of like this that we're consolidating. Come on, are we going to blast through or what? Come on. Give Daddy the blast. I'm only in a third of his size, so it's not really that big of a deal, but you do not want, I want it to hold right here is what I want. Hold! Oh, that's what I need to do. Let's see how many people are in. Yo, Flip! Yo, did you hold that short from last night when we were on the stream? Oh, geez. Let's go. Pump it. Give me a nice Pelosi pump. Let's go. Yeah, man. That's how I got $847 in this funded account. I told everybody I was holding that shit. It looked prime. Looked prime. Get over, baby. I'm taking it. I'm still in it, though, in another account, just so you are aware. This is like me taking half off. Come on. I have a sell at 622. Come on. You can do it. Let's see what happens. Nice move. I mean, if you're in it, feel free to take profits. Don't fucking hold. I already sold half, so don't hold because I'm in. I don't like that we couldn't hold 600. Dude, a lot of people like YM. What's the deal with YM? Is it cleaner, or is it because it's going up and NQ has been choppy? YM looks like it's about ready to fucking run. You got this V-shaped recovery, and it looks like it's going to push. I mean, that's what it looks like. It looks like he's gonna push. I know nothing. I know nothing, Jon Snow. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. Keep fucking going, baby. Keep the train going. No rejection, no rejection, no rejection. Stop. Let's go. I just feel like if we can blow through this, they'll algo up to like 22. It's so funny how on Quant Tower it looks so much further than on here. I am zoomed in. Gold dumped? I wonder why gold dumped. Was there news that it dumped, or what's the deal? Because London session closed. Come on. Push it through, baby. Just let it rip. This thing's going to play with my heartstrings right now. Come on. Gotta hold 600, though. Gotta hold 600. Just casually scalping. Just casually scalping support. I mean, obviously, I'm just grabbing it on a down near the 9 and just scalping. I mean, I'm up $104. But I'm still holding strong in this. Come on. Let's go. Yo, hope you guys like that. Fuck yeah, man. What a freaking nice trade that was. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Time to light up some more freaking accounts. Dude, that was such a nice trade. Anybody take that in the room? Anybody take that? Watch it come all the way back down. I might re-get in if it comes down. Come on. Come on. Nope, not going to come down for me. Dude, that was sweet. Sweet, sweet. It was a nice setup. I mean, you could see we were over the 15-minute orb. We were riding the 9. We got over 600 finally. We were holding 600 with this candle and just expanded up. Let's see if they hold here, or they're going to bring it back down to 600 and bounce. Hold the 9 or bring it down to 600. Let's get down to business. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, what a fucking scalp that was. It wasn't even that much. Fuck. Dude, get some rest? Not much. Not much, my friend. Did you hold any of the shorts from last night? I held, this was the short that we got paid on when I got off the stream. I said I'm holding till tomorrow. Or when I get taken out. I got taken out at $847. Dude, I felt like last night was an easy read. And I'm going to tell you why. I do this a lot. When they have big earnings, oh, dude, you're in 5 minis. When they have big earnings, I feel like that sets the tone for the whole night. So like Google had earnings. They were not great. That's going to set the tone for the whole night for me to basically say, hey, we're going to be short. I'm short overnight. You know, I'm not saying I'm going to get short as soon as we open at 6 o'clock, but like yesterday, we opened up at 6, we popped, and I knew once we closed the gap, that was my indication to short. So that's just kind of how I felt about it. And, you know, I've done it a lot. Netflix earnings, all types of earnings. When the earnings are good, I go long. And when the earnings are bad, I definitely say go short. Yeah, Walter. I ended up covering at like 510. And it went as low as like 4 something. And what's crazy is if you look, I'll show you right here. It actually freaking bounced right off the it bounced right at the pivot point on the hourly last night. Look, you could have shorted it and literally bounced. This yellow line is the pivot point. We hit the pivot point and bounced. That was prime to that was the bounce point. Now, I'll be honest with you, a great short would be under 575 would be a pretty good short. We get under 575 out of this fair value gap to the downside, I'm probably short. Damn. 2-minute bull flag. This was a little bear flag we just broke. Technically speaking, we would still be in this. But this thing fucking's got to hold. We start dropping below. I actually don't like that we traded back into the 50. See, this is a 15-minute orb. I don't like that we traded under it. I wouldn't just short it here. We're definitely getting oversold. But yeah, I could see a short-term little bounce back. But the fact that we traded back in this 15-minute orb is not what you want to see. I mean, if they bring it all the way down here, it would actually shock me, to be completely honest. I just turned on charts this morning, not giving back money from yesterday, more patient. I'll be honest with you, man. You don't need to make a lot of trades. You don't. I just took this up. You know, you don't need a lot of trades. You need 10 points with one mini gets you $200. I mean, think about how long it takes you to make $200 in the real world. You know, you don't need a lot of trades. You just need the right trades. I don't know if this is going to come down. I would love to see it come down a little bit more. Come on. Let me just make sure this is where the VWAP is. Dude, TraderBait makes like freaking recalculates it. So awful. This just gave a sell signal. Why is this? Get rid of upper, get rid of lower. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Come on. Come down to like 54-ish. Quite a bit of We're not going to get it. They don't want to give it. How to get sound alerts on indicators. Okay. Are you talking about TradingView indicators? What platform are you talking about? TradingView, Tradeovate. What are we talking about? I can show you. I just need to know which one you want. TradingView. All right, hold on one second. This thing's gonna dip. I'll show you though. Come on. I might grab this in another account as well. Where is So you basically go here. I'll just go to a single one. Do you want like an indicator if it hits this price? You just hit the plus sign and you add alert. On the alert, one time, I can name the alert and the notifications are in the app. Send an email, play a sound. I guess I could send a text message also. But did you see how I did it? You could send text messages, app notifications. Like I have the app on my phone. So I got the app notifications. I don't think this thing looks like they're going to bounce it. The fact that they dipped this down and didn't sell it to the 200 and pulled it back over the 21 on the 5 leads me to believe they might bounce it back up to like 87. It's almost like the selling is burnt out. Can't get over the 9. Just stay under the 9 and come right down to the 200. Not happening. Bring it up to 85. Were you able to set the alert though, Flip? Also, download the app on your phone and you'll get a notification on your phone, which I think is the best because you can then leave and not have to worry about it. Yeah. Okay, cool. I just want to make sure. If anybody else has questions about anything, just feel free to just throw it in the chat. I mean, that's what it's about, right? Come fucking down, man. Come down. That's all I want. Come down, grab it, and then bounce. It's the only trade I'm kind of looking at. I mean, yo, what up, Andy? How's stocks looking today? How is stocks looking today? I am down 1,200 today. Actually, let me see. 1,200. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, I'm down like 1,100. All because of Grab. Grab is floating around. That's $1,000, and it's just stock I'm holding. What up, Corey? Yo. Come down. Touch 89. Are we going to be in the play this little game again? Just locked in another payout, Corey. Yeah. Dude, I'll show you. You know I show you. I don't care. Yep. So Grab is, there's a lot of stuff that's going on with Grab. Was it? I think JP Morgan bought a bunch of its stock, and they're looking to do some type of merger with Grab. There's some type of merger with Grab. You got to read into it. I started reading into it yesterday. I've been owning it for probably 3 months already. I like the company, so I'm holding it. But it's definitely interesting. It's definitely an interesting stock, and I will probably just keep holding it for a while. Yeah. They're like an overseas company. It's like an Uber, DoorDash. They do a bunch of stuff. They're growing pretty rapidly. I am definitely into it. Yeah. I don't know. It's holy shit. Did they just rip this thing? All because they couldn't just drop it. Couple more points. Stupid. Stupid. But that was my setup that I wanted. You know, sometimes if you don't get your setup, you don't get your setup. You know, I'm not just gonna sit here and fucking just jump in because literally just held the freaking 21 on the 5 and just ripped. Damn. Come back down to the 9. I'd be willing to maybe grab a bounce. Hey, all, finally a good day at trading day, but I'm sitting on the sidelines. Oh, Reg. Yeah. I thought you were back in February. February was your time to be back. You hold it off a little bit? Yo, what up, Alfred? Oh, geez. That sucks. My conviction was so high yesterday on a short. That was my big conviction play. Well, we have Amazon tomorrow. I want to say there's news coming out too. What is the news for tomorrow? News for tomorrow is jobless claims in the morning. Yeah, you have jobless claims in the morning. Friday, you have unemployment report, hourly wages, Fed speaker at 9:25, consumer sentiment, consumer credit at 3. The big mover is next Wednesday. You got core CPI, and then Thursday you got PPI. Yo, you like the Asia session? I am going to be trading that session not next week, but the following week. I'm going to be away, but I'll be able to trade at night. So I'm going to trade that session 2 weeks from now for like a week straight. Yo, the Trump market's no joke, man. I've been telling people, dude, always have a stop loss in. You just never know. You just never know. We gonna hold this thing? Yo, I got a tight stop. My stop is boom, $100. $100, 2 accounts. I just play levels, just support, resistance. Worked out, nothing going on after dinner. Yeah. That's because of earnings. When they have earnings and shit, you're going to get decent moves. It's like, argument's sake, like today, after hours, there's probably nothing. Like, you know, I probably wouldn't trade. I'm going to look at earnings right now. I probably wouldn't trade earnings. You got QCOM tonight. I mean, that's it. QCOM. Baba had earnings today at some point. Is Baba up? Damn, Baba's down. Baba's down 3%. Yo, the U.S. government in Europe is going after Temu and stuff. Yo, the Crucial. What up? What up? Smash it, baby. Smash them likes. See, this is my biggest problem is like, I caught the fucking bottom of this, right? I sold at 22. Could have easily got another 200 bucks. I can't get out of this scalper's mentality. Even to hold for fucking 2 minutes. I literally caught the bottom. $25-point move, I'd be done. I'd be done in the 2 accounts. I know there's somebody in this chat who doesn't say anything that enters when I do and continues to hold and is making more money than I am. I almost guarantee it. There's somebody hanging in the shadows just fucking banking because they see me get in. They get out with I get out with a scalp and they're fucking holding and just get more than double of what I get every single time. Always happens. Anybody here want to buy a badass camera? Selling to fund my trading journey. For real though. Yo, full port. Is it one of those cameras I can put on my head? Yo, is it a POV camera? Yo, trading influence. Not gonna lie, I have done that. Yo, I know, brother. I know there's people hanging out doing it. I know it. Yo, it yo, POV camera, baby. Yo, if you don't know what a POV camera is, I can't help you. Yo, I might need a splash guard. Oh, baby. Dude, this thing's just ripping. Yeah, trading influence. Exactly. I bought there and it just rips. Somebody somewhere has held that and they're just laughing to the bank. I have a couple of those too, Kova, but I want to sell my video camera and lens, like $3,000. Dude, you better go on eBay, bro. Yo, that is true. Yo, as soon as I hold it, it's going to go against me. 1,000%. It will definitely go against me, and then I'll be sitting here just like shaking my freaking head. Dude, I'm getting some actually I'm going to get some Take Profit Trader evals right now. I just passed Take Profit Trader account. I'll be funded tomorrow and I want to get a payout. I want to get daily payouts with them so bad. Damn. Yo, you just had to hold. That's how easy it is. You just had to hold. Am I full porting them? I don't know. We'll see. Hold on one second. This is Mrs. Cove. Yo, Mrs. Cove is going to the deli. Anybody want anything? All right, let's pull this. Why am I getting more evals? Because I'm a freaking degenerate and want to get daily payouts with them. I just passed this one yesterday. Oh, today. Cream cheese bagel. Bro, bagels in New York are no joke, man. I had to just break the seal real quick with a quick trade. Yo, I think I'm going to do roast beef. How are we feeling about that? Roast beef? Roast beef. Mayo. Lettuce, tomato. Lettuce, tomato on that. What else do we want? Roast beef. We want cheese, right? What do we want? Provolone. Provolone cheese. Kind of a chopped cheese. Yo, you got to be in it to win it, Alfred, right? Yo, I'm telling you, man, I got a payout yesterday. I'm over for another payout today. Payouts are flowing. I have Jersey Mike's, but I'm going to like an actual deli. Jersey Mike's is good, man. You got to get it. What is it? Mike style? They call it Jersey style, Mike style. Right? Isn't that the way? That's what it's called. Mike's way. That's it. Mike's way. Yeah, I have it when I'm in Florida. That's the closest we have to an actual deli. Yeah. Yeah, Mike's way. Yo, that shit's good, man. Well, so it's wild is when you leave New York, there's not many delis. Like delis isn't like a big thing. Like they have them in Jersey, but like I go to Florida, there's no deli. You got to go to like Publix or something like that. Yeah, Cats. I've been to Cats. I don't know where I've been to it, but I've been to it. I want to say it's in the city. Yeah, it's in the city. Yep, been there. Dude, people outside of New York love Publix. You know what's the best? The very best supermarket I've ever been to is Wegmans. Went to Carnegie 3 times a year for a long time, gone now. I don't know if I've been there, unless you're talking about Carnegie Hall. But I haven't been to Carnegie Deli. Publix and Kroger's, yeah. Yeah, the deli, never been to that one. Usually when I'm in the city, I'm not going to the deli though. Like I'm going to like a steakhouse. I'm going to something like that. I don't think we have Kroger's on Long Island. I think we've had them, but I think they all went out. People weren't buying Kroger's. That's like Giant. People don't go to Giant around here. Like Giant's not around here, but Wegmans was the best. Dude, is this just going to keep going? Yo, do not do this in a funded account. I'm just seeing what happens here. Kind of seems like we're just going up. I'll just take a quick scout. Ralph's? Aldi? We have Aldi. I've never been in an Aldi, though. Wegmans is the best. Fresh Market is good. Oh, I should have held. Oh, only goes up, baby. Who else is good? Fresh Market is good. Obviously, we have Whole Foods. That's pretty much where I buy from, either Whole Foods, Fresh Market, or Stop and Shop. I'm going to re-enter in an eval if it comes back down to 57. Comes back down to 57, I'm in. See, my biggest problem is now that we start trading away from like the opening ranges and all the moving averages, it's hard for me to it's harder for me to create a trade setup because we're nowhere near getting like a bounce. You know, I'm talking about for me to take it in a funded account. Like for me to jump in a funded account, I am not jumping in a funded account up here. Damn, she's calling me again. Dude, picking a restaurant or food is ridiculous with my wife. My wife will say, I'm going to the deli. Text me what you want. I text her what I want. She calls me 5 minutes later and goes, oh, I might go to this other place now. Okay, cool. What's that other place's name? I don't know. Well, how the fuck am I going to tell you what I want if you don't tell me the name of the place? She's like, oh, it's the bakery place. I have no idea. There's like fucking 8 bakeries by me. Like, tell me what the place is called. Damn, this thing just ripped. Tell her Flip wants chopped cheese. Dude. I actually wanted to overlay. I wanted to overlay. What the fuck did I want to overlay here? Oh. How could there not? Oh, there's the buy right there. Yeah. Turkey on wheat with some Swiss. That sounds good. Dude, this thing's going to go straight. This is so speculative. They're probably going to stop me out. Okay, you about to have the biggest turkey sandwich with bacon? That sounds pretty good. Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. That's a massive fucking run up. That is a massive run up. Dude, it's just going. It's just going. I mean, we've made back all the Google drop. Look at this. We made back all of the Google drop. Fucking market don't care, man. Did we really? Hold on one second. I need to set that up on my thing, by the way. I am going to set, I still need, yo, Alfred, do you have a script that does previous day high and low that works on TradingView? Previous day high, previous day low, TradingView. I'm kind of looking for one. Oh shit. I thought I was in a I thought I was in this account. Fuck me, man, that sucked. That sucked. I mean, I kind of broke even, but I am going to, I had a tab like that prior to me. Oh, they took my money out. I got paid 600, but now I can't trade this fucking account. Okay, I got paid. I'm out of that account now. Bucket. So what's interesting is we're retouching this. We're retesting this that we broke on the 4 hour. I kind of like the short. I'm not going to take it here. I want to see us drop, come back up, make a lower high, and then take it. Until that happens, I probably just keep riding it long. Can I scalp it again to the upside, you think? Tight fucking stop. Tight. It's got to bounce or I'm out type shit. Oh, I was up a little bit. Ah. Are we going to bounce or no? Probably not. Come on, baby. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Woo! Dude, almost. Oh, my God. Oh, dude. Don't do me like that. Fuck. I'm just holding this, and I'm literally holding this until we hit 43 or I get stopped out. I don't care. I just feel like this thing has no stop in it. It's so crazy. I do need a dude, I'm good. See, it's not showing on my fucking thing. Oh, here it is. The line is. I don't know why it's so freaking. Why it's so thin. I gotta do white. Here's the line. There we go. There we go. Dude, I told myself not to play fucking shorts too, and the one short I do. This is working. I can't see it. I can't see it. So being that I can't see it, it's not really going to help me out. I need a good one though. It shouldn't be hard to make. Oh, here we go. Lux Algo's got one. Previous highs, previous lows. Dude, it shows the last 4 days. I only need freaking... I only need the last day. Why is it so fucking thin? I don't know. This was the previous day, though. I have no... Dude, this fucking script. Oh, that's because this is today. Ugh. 0 is today's high and 1 is yesterday's high. Oh, look, you can mouse over and see. Dude, poker. Are you short? I guess you're shorting this? I don't think Trump said something. I know he's going after like Temu and Shine. He's definitely going after Temu and Shine. I think Europe is going after them also. All right, I'm going to grab some food. I'll be back in 2 hours. 2 hours. I'm going to put the poker link in the Discord, and we'll play tomorrow night. I'll be back at 2 p.m. Eastern. Oh, yeah, Marie. Yeah. If you're selling on like Etsy or Amazon, yeah, yeah. They're starting to go after him. Look at the news. But I'll be back in 2 hours. Peace.